Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I'll show you how to zoom in on your device's display. So to do that, you'll have to use a combination of Windows and plus keys. So press them both at the same time, like this, and you'll see a bar on your screen. Using this bar, you can either decrease or increase the level of the zoom. You can also reset the level by using these two icons right here. You can start reading from the screen by pressing this button right here, and you can select an element on your screen using this icon from which you want to start reading. For example, if I click on this icon, it will read the name of the icon and then stop. You can also change some settings right here, like the speed of the zoom or the speed of the magnifier, and you can also change the voice of the reader. And by clicking right here, you can find even more settings. You can turn on and off the magnifier by switching the toggle. You can also change the zoom level in here and the zoom increments, and you can also change the view, which is the most important setting right here. So we can choose between locked, docked magnifier, full screen magnifier, which you have just seen, and the lens magnifier, which looks like this. Each magnifier has its own settings. For example, the docked magnifier can be set to follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor. It does this by default, but you can uncheck these checkboxes if you want to customize it. The full screen magnifier has the same options, the same settings, and it also has an option for the mouse pointer and text cursor, so that you can either keep them within the edges of the screen, which looks like this, or you can center them on the screen and it will look like this then. And the lens magnifier has only one setting to reshape or resize it using these two sliders. You can change the size and shape of it to match your needs. And that's basically it, everything you need to know about Windows Magnifier. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.